Hi and welcome to another Instrument Choice support video. In this video, we'll demonstrate how to calibrate the LAQUAtwin compact calcium ion meter, as well as run through some troubleshooting tips if you have difficulty calibrating this unit. Starting with normal calibration. 1 or 2 point calibration can be performed on this unit. We recommend a 2-point calibration where possible. So we'll be calibrating to 150 and 2000 parts per million using the included standard solutions. You will also need water for rinsing, as well as some soft tissue to dab the sensor dry if required. To start, switch the meter on by pressing the center power key. Open the sensor head and apply enough 150 parts per million solution to cover the sensor. Close the lid. Press the Cal button. Cal and the first solution will blink on the screen. Press Cal again and the current measurement, Cal, and the status indicator smiley face will start to blink. Once these stop blinking, the device will hold the stability indicator face on the screen briefly, then return to measurement mode. The first point of calibration is complete. Remove the buffer solution and rinse the sensor in clean water. If needed, dry using the soft, lint-free tissue, remembering that the sensor is glass, so perform this very carefully. Next, we will calibrate to 2000 parts per million. To do this, open the sensor cover, apply enough 2000 parts per million solution to the sensor to cover it, then close the lid. Press Cal. Cal and the second solution will blink on the screen. Press Cal again, and the current measurement, Cal, and the face will start to blink. When they stop blinking, the device will hold the stability indicator smiley face on the screen briefly, then it will return to measurement mode. Calibration is complete. Remove the buffer solution and rinse the sensor. If you are using the correct standard solutions to calibrate your meter and are still having difficulty calibrating it, here are 2 things you can do to troubleshoot. First of all, check that the sensor is clean, undamaged and clear of debris. It is best practice to clean your sensor with water after each use. If it's particularly soiled, for example it was not cleaned after the last use or has been unused for an extended period of time, you can use something like Electrode cleaning solution to give it a good deep clean. The second thing you can do is reset the data. To do this, start with the meter off, then press and hold all 3 buttons until the LCD switches on. The software version will display, followed by INT. Then, to reset, simply press the Cal button. The screen will display end, then switch off. The unit has been reset. Retry calibrating your unit from here. Need a hand with the calibration of your CA-11? Speak with an Instrument Choice scientist. Call 1300 737 871 or email us at customer-service@instrumentchoice.com.au. We hope that you found this video helpful. Thanks for watching.